What's going on, Phil? You have the old shop truck in the garage.
Yeah, today I think this old girl needs some TLC. Last time I was up here in the bed, the floor felt a bit squishy.
Okay, all right. Well, welcome back to Dupli-Color Garage. My name is Brian, and this is Phil, and it sounds like we're gonna be working on the shop truck. So, Phil mentioned there's some soft spots potentially in the bed of the truck here. So let's take a look. Sounds like that needs some oil.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna walk. Oh yeah, it is soft.
Yeah, and even this area over here.
Yep. Hey, take a look underneath and see what you see or don't see.
Yeah, definitely some holes. Yeah, this thing needs some patchwork.
All right, so it sounds like you're gonna be doing some welding, right?
For sure.
All right, well, what we're gonna do with this is actually a common issue with this before I get into what we're going to do, is these trucks, a lot of these OEM trucks, they have a factory drop-in bed liner. These bed liners hold moisture, dirt, all of that sits in there and ends up rusting out the floor of the bed. So we're gonna go ahead and lay down some of the Dupli-Color Truck Bed Coating. What it'll do, it'll give us that durable texture that we need. We're gonna be throwing some stuff in here, tools, parts, and whatnot for our projects. And also that UV protection as well, because this sits outside all the time. And in addition to that, this is something that you can do in your garage at home, and we're gonna show you exactly how easy this is to do as well. So first steps, let's get this bed liner out of here and see what we got.
Let's do it.
Our plan is to refinish the entire truck bed of our shock truck, as we suspect it has some serious rust issues living under the factory drop-in plastic liner. The first thing we did was remove the plastic liner, and then we fixed the rusted out floor by welding in some patches. We then prepped the surface by sanding the old paint using a combination of 80 grit sandpaper and a red scuff pad. This creates a coarse surface for the truck bed coating to bond to. We then swept out the truck bed using a broom and then used our multi-purpose foaming prep spray to remove any sanding residue and contaminants, and it made for a clean surface. Next, we masked off any areas we are not painting to protect them from overspray. We used masking tape and paper to get that job done. Next, we used our rust barrier to coat the bare metal patches to protect them from future rust. You can also use our self-etch primer for this. Before applying, shake the can for 2 minutes and 10 seconds after each minute of use. Ideal application conditions are when temperatures are between 60 and 95 degrees Fahrenheit with low humidity. When applying, hold the can 8 to 10 inches from the surface and apply 2 to 3 light coats in an even back and forth sweeping motion or until even coverage is achieved, allowing 10 minutes between coats. Next, we used our truck bed coating aerosol to cut in all the corners of the truck bed by applying about 2 coats, holding the can 6 to 10 inches from the surface, and allowed 10 minutes between coats. We then broke out the truck bed coating roller kit, which includes everything you need to roll down a gallon of coating within the kit. It includes the roller and frame, tray, chip brush, and scuff pad. Make sure to shake or stir the gallon of truck bed coating as contents may settle. Pour the coating into the tray and start rolling, starting at the front of the truck bed, closest to the cab, and work your way back. The first coat should be lighter and will act as your tack coat. Allow it to dry enough to be able to walk on for the second coat. A good tip is to always back roll for an even textured finish. Use the chip brush where needed to make sure the coating gets into all the tight areas the roller cannot fit. Apply 2 to 3 coats or until even coverage is achieved. Then peel the masking tape to reveal your results. Allow 2 to 3 hours of dry time before you can touch or walk on the surface and 24 hours before use. Always make sure you are applying our products in a well-ventilated area with proper face protection. We decided to give the upper plastic bed rails some treatment as well, since they were faded from the sun. We masked them off, scuffed them with the red scuff pad, and cleaned them with our foaming prep spray. Then laid down some masking tape and paper to protect the rest of the truck. Allow about 2 to 3 hours of dry time before you can touch or walk on the surface and 24 hours before use. Dupli-Color Truck Bed Coating is a durable black vinyl polymer coating that protects truck beds at a fraction of the cost of a conventional drop-in truck bed liner. This durable, all-purpose coating is designed for the do-it-yourself user and is available with multiple application methods. It can be applied using a roller, spray gun, or aerosol spray can. Its durable impact and UV-resistant finish makes it ideal for use on truck beds, inner fenders, tailgates, bed rails, cargo van step areas, running boards, and much more. Phil, what are you doing sitting on the job?
Just giving this truck bed coating one final test. It's nice and dry. Take a look.
Yeah, I mean, if you're sitting on it, it's got to be dry pretty fast. And it looks incredible. And also, all the welding work that you did, the textured finish really helped kind of blend that all together.
Yeah, we gave this truck bed a lot of longevity. It's good to go now. We can load it up with parts, won't slip around. The best thing is this kit basically comes with everything you need. We picked up this aerosol truck bed coating, but otherwise, this is all we used.
Right, and you used the aerosol to kind of cut things in, and then you went ahead and rolled, what, 2-3 coats in the bed?
Yeah, 2 nice heavy coats. The roller comes in the kit. You scuffed it all down beforehand. We used the aerosol up here on the plastic.
Yeah, I saw that. These look good too. They're all faded.
Yeah, now everything matches, nice and even coating.
Okay. Well, the truck bed looks great. We have that non-skid coating. When we step up in here, we won't fall down. And also the UV protection. This truck sits outside all the time, so you got to take that into consideration too.
Absolutely.
Phil, this is good and dry. I think we should put it back to use.
Yeah, I actually have a load of parts that just came in. I want to go pick them up.
Sounds good. Now, if you want to find out more information about the products that we used on this vehicle, so you can be the boss of your own project at home, visit duplicolor.com.